that student success is not in opposition to parenting, which is the basis of SB 320 and the claims that we need abortion drugs on campus. Students don't need abortion drugs, and on behalf of the students I represent, I want to just make it clear that abortion drugs bring challenges to student success. As Jessica said, I know that hurt and pain that I was going through. I want to help women not make the same mistake. Abortion causes hurt and pain. Natural miscarriages are traumatizing experiences for couples to go through. Now imagine individual young women on campuses experiencing the effects of an induced abortion in their dorm rooms, their shared bathrooms and toilet stalls. This is traumatizing.